Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be talking about Dawn AI avatar generator. So in this video I'll pretty much be going through how to use the application, what it is, and pretty much giving you guys an overview of the app. So currently this app has a 4.8 out of 5 star rating, which is pretty impressive if you ask me. That's a pretty good rating to have. It is ranked number 1 on graphics and designing under the category, and the size is only 48.4 megabytes, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. So let's launch the application and get into it. So once you launch the application, you should be met with a similar layout like this. However, I have created an avatar before, so yours would look slightly different if you have never used the application before. So as you can see, there are lots of headings here. You have mythical creatures, multiverse, and once you slide to the right, you'd see that there are a few options under each of them. So the possibility to create an AI is endless. Now, in order to actually once you look right beside AI avatar, you see AI art. So unleash your creativity, generate unlimited artworks, no watermark, and fast generation. So this is US $9.99 per week, so basically $10 for the week. So if you wanted fast generation and no watermark in your AI avatar, you could go ahead and choose this option. And beside that, you have settings, so you have the terms of service, and once you click on that, you'd be redirected to a web browser page. And I would highly suggest reading the terms of service before actually using the application to know what it offers and what this application is about. And you also have the terms, the privacy policy as well. I would highly suggest going through that as well to ensure that you're on the safe side while using this application. And you also have the option to upgrade to Pro and to simply follow the Dawn AI avatar generator on each social media platform. So once you go back to the AI avatar homepage, you'd simply need to click on tag, which is at me, because I've already created a AI avatar, to go ahead and delete that tag to add a new one. And that's pretty much the process you would use to add new photos to create different avatars. So as you can see, you have some cues right here so you could get the best AI avatar possible. So you need to use high quality photos, well lighted, only one person, various location, various face expressions, various angles, and no sunglasses. So once you've read through that, you simply need to tap on upload 8 to 12 photos and click on photo library, or you could choose to use your camera as well if that's the option you want to go with. So once you select the pictures that you want for this trend, you would simply need to tap on generate 50 avatars, and that's part of the process completed. So you want to ensure that you have fast and stable internet connection for this, because it does require you to have fast and stable internet connection. And once all the selfies have been uploaded, you would actually need to wait for about 15 minutes to generate the avatars for you. And you also have the option to tap to notify me, so you don't have to stay in the application while the avatars are generating. And as I've said earlier, if you wanted fast generation without waiting this time period, you could simply go ahead and upgrade to the Pro version. So I've allowed Dawn AI avatar to notify me once this process is complete, and I'll leave the application, and once they have notified me that the process is complete, I'll come back to show you what the AI avatars will look like. So Dawn AI avatar has just notified me that my avatars are done generating, so I'm simply going to launch the application and go through. So these are what my avatars are looking like, and they are created from different colors, different themes, different styles, and this is a pretty fascinating app to use. It's pretty fun, so you could go ahead and download it and give it a try to join in on the TikTok and Instagram trend. And you could simply tap on the download icon to save the avatars that you want to your phone. Unfortunately, the Dawn AI avatar watermark will be saved with the photo, And again, if you wanted to do this without the watermark on it, you could go ahead and upgrade to the Pro version. But that's pretty much the end of the video, and if I do say so myself, these avatars are looking incredible and amazing and unique. And that's the end of the video. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.